Have you ever wanted more pleasure in your life? Hey, I'm Rachel. I've been an intimacy coach for 10 years, and that's inspired me to do this extended series all year long. We talk about ways to incorporate pleasure into your everyday life for you, but also a partner relationship if you're interested. This month has been so much fun. We're talking about things your woman wants me to tell you. And that's important because I have found in 10 years of coaching that there's two forms of women usually. We have this side of the fence of women who think they've been telling you all along what it is that they want, need, and desire, but you ain't hearing them. There's the other side of the fence who don't even know what they want, but they think that you will magically understand what they want and check all the boxes. Mind readers. Okay, so today what I want to talk about is it's just a little statement I want to bring up, but we're going to reinforce this conversation again. But understanding that we're listening with open hearts and open minds. This is not necessarily about criticism, but I don't know how it won't not come off as criticism. All right. With all due respect, I have mentioned many, many times that in my business, I pretty much exclusively worked with women for the first 7 to 8 years of that job. We weren't really even allowed to work with men. And via my clients' need for their desire of their male partners to hear the information that I was spreading amongst the feminine community, I went out and found alternative ways to try to share this information, i.e. being here on YouTube, well, wherever you're digesting this on social media. But with all due respect, YouTube has been one of the most interesting places to be delivering this content because men will jump on that app and tell me I'm wrong. Men will tell me that I'm wrong about the education around women's bodies. Men will tell me that I'm wrong when I tell them what their women want. Men will tell me that I'm wrong when I tell them that over 10 years, majority of my masculine clients love C-rings. Men will tell me that I'm wrong when I say that your woman does not give two shits about the fact that your penis may be 3 inches in length because she does not need 4, 5, 6, or 7 inches for a lot of pleasure. Does she like deep penetration from time to time? Probably. It doesn't mean that you can't solely take care of her with what you already got going on. Men will tell me that I'm wrong. You have to look really deep inside for me and ask yourself, is it more important for you to be right about an entire species of men when you only have one experience in this life? Or is it more important for you to hear the actual fucking words coming out of my mouth when I'm telling you what your feminine partner is desiring to have more sex and intimacy, more pleasure, and more love in your relationship? You have to ask yourself which is more important. Okay, I don't say all men ever. I'm telling you, though, that in my experience, I still have had more of an experience of talking to men than you have. I have had more of an experience intimacy coaching men than you have. So while your experience is true to you, I'm not negating that. But when I say as a blanket statement to majority of people, mine come from the numbers. Like, it just is not something I'm making up. And I don't know what else to say to place a little seed in your heart about my intention around that. I'm not trying to discourage you. I'm not trying to dismiss you. I'm not trying to make you feel like you are inept or inadequate or anything. I'm trying to help. So this is probably one of the most serious videos I've ever done around this kind of conversation. But it's important. All right. Even as a person who has a business in what I do, I will have boundaries. I will have boundaries that you are not allowed to cross. I will have boundaries that I will find you disrespectful. And I'm really hoping that will not be the majority of my experience. So please take this video with love, with intention, and come back tomorrow and let's talk about it. Thanks for being here. I appreciate you. Have a great day.